Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I have another Temu haul thanks to all you generous people who donated to my PayPal. So far all I'm getting is like 20 bucks, 25 bucks, which is fine because it keeps these videos going and it keeps my imagination rolling. So this is what I got this time. And I want to thank the latest 5 subscribers in the past week. You guys are awesome and I'm grateful. This is a pyramid mold. That's interesting. I got the base, which is what I wanted, obviously. Oh, come on. You were just up. 4 inches. So I have to get the other one, which is 6 inches, which will match up to this whole base. I can do that with no problem. That's 1. 2 is an incense burner mold set. Sorry for the noise. I really hate this noise. Let's see, what is this? It's a star. These are the phases of the moon, and this is just basic. But this was like $4, $5. This was like 11 for the set right here. These are stickers, and if you would like a video on just the stickers, because there's 100 of them in here, please leave a comment. Thank you. This is Clockworks. Ah! Oh crap. That fell out. There's supposed to be 30 of them in here, so. Ooh, and these are really, really nice. I'll get that later. Gold and silver. Definitely have plans for these. What's up when they put the little hands in there? Okay, that's it for now. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I don't mind a bit of coffee now and again. Have a good day. Namaste.